What's going guys, Filip here, and today I'm going to show you how to center an image, text, object, whatever, and align centers on Photoshop. So it's really simple. Simply select your layer that you'll want to center, and then control and select your background, or layer you want your other layer to be aligned with. So then you go with the remove tool, shortcut V, and this little menu here will be clickable, otherwise it will be gray and unclickable. So here you'll find align top edges, align vertical centers. So I'll just show how they look. So when selecting this layer first and then this, it basically makes the second layer that you choose a reference point, or I think you can call it that. And so this layer will align according to this, and then you can align vertical centers. So let's say that my background would have been longer up, then this vertical center would have been a bit up as well. And then I'll just show these like this and that, and then you have align horizontal centers, which is probably the one that you are most interested in. So yeah, these are the centers, vertical and horizontal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any further questions or problems or whatever, just let me know. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. And thank you guys for watching. Gracias por ver. I wish you a fine nice day, my dudes. And until next time, hasta luego.